Something unprecedented is unfolding in China, and it's about to rewrite the rules of transportation as we know them. Imagine crossing entire countries at speeds once reserved for jet aircraft, but without ever leaving the ground. What used to sound like science fiction has now become reality. While much of the world still relies on rail technology designed decades ago, China is unveiling machines that look as if they were engineered for the next century. From trains that hover above the tracks, using magnetic levitation, to colossal mechanical marvels pushing toward the sound barrier. Today you're going to discover the 8 fastest trains on Earth, including China's jaw-dropping supersonic train that is redefining the absolute limits of land speed. Make sure you stay until the end, because the #1 spot will genuinely leave you speechless. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 8. Chinese teeth. We start with a machine that completely changed what humanity believed was possible on land. China's T-Flight maglev reaches an astonishing 621 miles per hour, a speed that makes a Boeing 737 during takeoff seem slow by comparison. To put that into perspective, a commercial airliner typically cruises at around 550 miles per hour. This train goes even faster, and it does it on solid ground. So how is this level of speed even achievable? The answer lies in the fact that the train never touches the tracks. Instead, it floats entirely in the air, suspended by powerful magnetic forces that lift it above the guideway. With no physical contact, friction is virtually eliminated, allowing speeds that traditional rail systems could never reach. It's like a projectile launched from a magnetic cannonex. This projectile is a train filled with passengers. But the true breakthrough behind these extreme velocities is the use of vacuum tubes. While conventional trains constantly fight against air resistance, the T-Flight travels inside sealed tubes where the air has been almost completely removed. This is the same principle that enables spacecraft to reach incredible speeds. With air resistance nearly eliminated, the limits of ground transportation are pushed to astonishing extremes. The result is nothing short of revolutionary. Thanks to this technology, the T-Flight could cover the distance between Beijing and Shanghai in under 2 hours, a journey that normally takes about 4.5 hours, even on the fastest high-speed trains available today. Without question, this machine is redefining what land travel truly means. 7. CRH-2380A. In 7th place, we have something truly impressive. The CRH-2380A is the machine that proved China doesn't need to copy anyone when it comes to railway technology. This monster reaches 261 miles per hour in official tests, a speed that left engineers around the world speechless. Its aerodynamic design is inspired by fighter jets, with an elongated nose that slices through the air like a blade. But what really stands out about this train isn't just its top speed, it's its endurance. It can maintain speeds above 217 miles per hour for hundreds of miles without showing any failures or damage. The secret lies in its advanced cooling system, which uses liquid air to keep the motors at the ideal temperature, even after hours operating at maximum power. Most surprisingly, it can be powered electrically while in motion, completely eliminating the need for technical stops. This train covers distances that, in other countries, would require domestic flights, while maintaining speeds that surpass many small aircraft. China has created a virtually unstoppable machine, capable of traveling non-stop across routes that other countries consider impossible for ground transportation. 6th, CRH-380D. In 6th place, we have a train that marked a turning point in Chinese railway history. The CRH-380D was the first train built entirely using innovative Chinese technology, while earlier models relied on German and Japanese technologies as a foundation. This beast is 100% the result of Chinese design and engineering, developed from the ground up. Its most surprising feature is something you would never expect from a high-speed train. It is almost silent. While other trains sound like fighter jets, the CRH-380D passes by like a ghost. You can stand next to the tracks and barely hear a whisper as it speeds past at over 217 miles per hour. Its dragonhead-shaped design isn't just Chinese aesthetics, it's pure aerodynamic engineering executed to perfection. The elongated, curved nose cuts through the air so efficiently that it virtually eliminates all noise resistance. Chinese engineers achieved what once seemed impossible, combining extreme speed with near-total silence. This train showed the world that China no longer needed foreign masters. With speeds that compete with the best on the planet and a level of quiet that surpasses them all, the CRH-380D announced the arrival of the golden age of Chinese railway engineering. 5th, Shinkansen E5. The Shinkansen E5 isn't just a train, it's a masterclass in perfection applied to mass transportation that amazed the entire world. This legendary bullet train is the fastest in Japan in commercial operation, reaching 199 miles per hour. But its true advantage isn't just speed. It's something no other railway system has been able to match. Its punctuality is absolutely precise. The average delay is just 18 seconds per year. It was designed to maintain exact schedules, with every component calculated to function like a Swiss watch on rails. Its automatic control system uses artificial intelligence to detect and prevent any issue before it even happens. Maintenance is so meticulous that every part is replaced before it shows the slightest sign of wear. The Japanese achieved something that once seemed impossible. 60 years of operation without a single fatal accident. And now comes the most impressive part. The E5 uses a regenerative braking system so efficient that it produces more electricity than it consumes when descending slopes. When other countries build fast trains, they aren't just competing with Japanese speed, they're competing with 6 decades of unquestionable perfection. Fourth, L0 Series Mag. Japan completely revolutionized the concept of rail transport with the innovative L0 Series maglev, capable of reaching an astonishing 375 miles per hour and defying all the rules of conventional ground transportation. Although it is not yet in commercial operation, it is expected to enter service in 2027 and promises to change everything we know about land travel. This revolutionary train uses a superconducting magnetic levitation system that keeps it floating about 4 inches above the track without touching anything at all. Its suspension technology is so sophisticated that it maintains perfect stability even at speeds above 375 miles per hour, something that until recently seemed impossible. Most impressive is its ability to transform distances. It will connect Tokyo to Osaka in just 67 minutes, a journey that currently takes about 2 hours and 15 minutes on the fastest Shinkansen. By floating completely, it eliminates friction and wear, allowing speeds no wheeled train could ever achieve. The L0 series combines Japan's rigorous safety standards with record-breaking speeds, redefining expectations for speed and efficiency in the future of rail transport. Third, Germany's ICE3. We reached third place with Germany's ICE3, the fastest train in Europe, upholding the reputation of a nation known for precision engineering. This machine reaches 229 miles per hour in tests, although it operates commercially at 186 miles per hour for safety reasons. Its true secret isn't just raw speed, but something revolutionary. It is nearly impossible for it to derail. The ICE3 uses distributed traction technology, allowing it to accelerate and brake more efficiently than any global competitor. Its active tilting system allows it to take curves at speeds that would cause other trains to derail instantly, maintaining perfect stability thanks to sensors that constantly monitor track conditions. German engineering took aerodynamics to almost obsessive levels. Every surface is mathematically optimized to reduce air resistance. The wheels and chassis use special metals designed to withstand decades of high-speed operation under extreme wear. The result is remarkable. Germany built a machine of absolute precision, capable of operating at extreme speeds for decades without failure, completely redefining the concept of railway safety. Second, Itello AGV. In second place, we have Italy's Itello AGV, a train that reaches 224 miles per hour and is transforming rail transport across Europe. It connects major Italian cities, operating commercially at 186 miles per hour with an efficiency that impresses engineers throughout the continent. What makes the Itello unique is its design without traditional locomotives. Instead of concentrating engines at the front, it distributes power throughout the entire train. This allows for faster acceleration and better use of interior space for passengers. Its construction uses ultra-lightweight materials that significantly reduce total weight, resulting in lower energy consumption and higher speed. The advanced suspension system virtually eliminates vibrations, creating a smooth travel experience even at top speed. The Itello AGV proves that the combination of smart aerodynamic design, advanced materials, and efficient power distribution can create an exceptionally fast and reliable transportation system. Who would have thought the Italians would build the fastest privately operated train on the continent? First Shinkansen Alpha X, meet the train of the future, an experimental 10-car machine measuring about 1,050 feet in length, that is breaking every railway speed record. This technological beast reaches an impressive 249 miles per hour in tests and is revolutionizing everything we believed possible on rails. The Alpha X uses extraordinary technologies. It constantly analyzes more than 10,000 data points during the journey, controlling everything from external temperature to the slightest vibrations. Its most striking feature is its extremely long nose, about 72 feet, designed, like the tip of a spear, to pierce the air with minimal resistance. Most revolutionary of all, it can change its shape while in motion. The train has sensors across its entire surface that detect strong winds or air changes and automatically adjust its position to maintain extreme speeds without losing stability. Its emergency braking system is equally impressive. It can come to a complete stop from 249 miles per hour in just 2 minutes, surpassing every safety standard in the world. Although the Alpha X is not yet commercially available, Japan promises it will enter service in 2030, setting a new global benchmark for railway speed. What we've just seen is the reality of ground transportation in 2025. From trains floating on magnetic fields to machines breaking the sound barrier on land, we are witnessing a revolution that will forever change how we move around the planet. The question is no longer whether these trains will replace airplanes on medium-distance routes, but how fast that will happen and whether the rest of the world will be able to keep up with Chinese innovation. Which of these trains impressed you the most? Would you have the courage to travel at 621 miles per hour on land? Leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.